Welcome to a new product reveal from Whimsy Stamps. I'm sharing the Tattered Christmas clear stamp set and its corresponding outline dies that are sold separately. This adorable stamp set has 14 stamps in total, including this Christmas tree sprig, our little plushy characters, some gorgeous ornaments, different strings to attach your ornaments, and the sentiment Merry Christmas. Now our Santa measures 2 by 2 1/4, the bear is 1 3/4 by 2 1/4, the deer is 1.5 by 2, and the sprigs is 4 by 1 1/4 inches. Our outline dies, you can cut them apart using some wire cutters, or you can twist and bend them apart. Our ornaments range from 1 3/4 inches tall to 1 inch wide, and our tallest ornament string is 1.5 inches. Here are all of those stamps in brown ink. I thought it would be really pretty to stamp them out in brown instead of black because these stamps really do have a vintage feel to them. Here they are cut out. There are 12 dies in total for all of the images in the stamp set. I just absolutely love that even look that the outline dies give to our images. Here is a card I made using the ornaments from the stamp set. I also used the tree sprigs and a couple of the different ornament strings to attach them to the tree. I hope you'll use the links down below to check out all the new products released today. You can find everything I used to make this particular card down in the description. Please also join us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest for even more inspiration. Thanks and happy shopping!